Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 70, Alphabet. So this is one of those puzzles again which encourages you to think laterally. This is a really interesting one, so I'll warn you. Here we go. How many letters are there in 50% of the English alphabet? Now we're all familiar with the English alphabet. We know how many letters there are in there. So how many letters are there in 50% of the English alphabet? A clue will be given on the next slide. Now it would help if you knew about percentages and also fractions. That does actually help. So have a little think about it, and please don't go to the answer yet or the clue. I'd really like you to try and solve it. So in 2 minutes I'll go to the next slide and we'll give you a clue. Okay, I wonder how you went. I wonder if you've got it now. If you're having a little trouble, here is the clue. So I asked how many letters are there in 50% of the English alphabet. The clue, focus on the last 3 words of the above sentence. That's the clue. Now the answer is on the next slide. So spend another minute focusing on the last 3 words of the above sentence. I think you might get this one. And if not, I'll give you the answer on the next slide. So please persist for a little while. Okay, here we go. I'm not sure how you went. Hopefully you got the answer. You love this one. The answer, 50% of 18 equals 9. You might say, how is that the case? Well, I told you to focus on the last 3 words of the sentence. There they are there. 50% of the English alphabet. If you count those letters, that gives you 18. 50% of 18 is 9. 50% is the same as a half. Half of 18 is 9. I'll bet you love that. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. And we'll go to that slide straight away. Here we go.